and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they have now is 124. We would like to find how many marbles they have to start with. We will consider John have X number of marbles and Jivanti have Y number of marbles. We write, let John have X number of marbles and Jivanti have Y number of marbles. To start with, if both of them lost 5 marbles each, then they will have X minus 5 and Y minus 5 marbles. Question says John and Jivanti has 45 marbles. Then X plus Y is equal to 45. If they've lost 5 marbles each, and then the product of the marbles they have now is 124. After losing 5 marbles, the product of their marbles is given as 124. You see, from here we calculate the value of y as 45 minus x. This value we substitute here. X minus 5 into y we write is 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to 124. This will be x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 124, or it will be 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x is equal to 124. It will be x square minus 45x. You see this x square we shift here, it will be x square. This 5x and 40x we shift here, it will be minus 45x. And this 200 we shift here, so here we will get plus 324 is equal to 0. So the word problem we converted into the quadratic equation form. You see, to solve this quadratic equation, we use factorization method. We split the middle term. We should have two numbers. Product of them should be 324 and sum of them should be 45. Such two numbers are 36 and 9. You see, we can write as x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. From this two, we take x common. It will be x minus 36 and from this minus 9 we take common, so it will be x minus 36 equal to 0. From this 2 we take x minus 36 common, so another bracket we will get with x minus 9 equal to 0. One by one we compare this with 0, then the values of x we get is 36 and 9. So if we take x equal to 36, then y we will get 9, and if we take x is equal to 9, then y we will get 36. So out of the two numbers, one is 9 and one is 36. That is, if John have 9 number of marbles, then Jivanti will have 36 marbles, and if John have 36 number of marbles, then Jivanti will have 9 marbles. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus number of toys produced on that day. On a particular day, the total number of production was 750. We would like to find the number of toys produced on that day. We will consider that on that day, x number of toys are produced and cost of each toy is rupees y. We write, let x number of toys are produced on that day and the cost of each toy is rupees y, and the cost of each toy is rupees y. You see, x number of toys are produced and the cost of each toy is rupees y. Now it is said that the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus number of toys produced on that day. The cost of production of each toy we considered as y, that is 55 minus number of toys produced on that day, that is x. So y we are getting 55 minus x. Now in the question it is said that the total cost of production was rupees 750. The total cost of production will be x into y, that is 750 rupees given. You see, number of toys are x and total number of and cost of each toy is y. So xy is the total cost of production, that is 750. The value of y 55 minus x we put here. So x into this x we write as it is, and at the place of y we write 55 minus x is equal to 750, we write same. This will be 55x minus x square is equal to, we will get 750. These two terms we shift here, we get x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. The word problem we converted into the quadratic equation form. To solve this quadratic equation, we should have two numbers. The product of them should be 750 and the sum or difference 55. So you see, if we take 750, this 750 we just factorize, divided by 2, 3s are 6 and 7s are 14 and 5s are. Now we divided by 5. 7s are 35 and 5s are. Again we divided by 5. 5 1s are and 5s are. Now we divide by 5. 3s are and then by 3 1. Now you see we will have this 25 and this will be 10 3s are 30. 30 and 25, the sum will be 55. So the two numbers we obtained is 25 and 30. We can write as x square minus, at the place of 55, we write 30x minus 25x plus 750 is equal to 0. It will be, from here we take x common, it is x minus 30, and from this to minus 25 we take common, so it will be x minus 30. Okay, is equal to 0. From this to we take x minus 30 common, so another bracket we will get with x minus 25. Then the two values of x we will get as 30 and 25. You see, if we take x is equal to 30, then y we will get 25, and if we take x is equal to 25, then y we get 30. So if 30 toys are produced on that day, then cost of each toy will be 25 rupees, and if 25 toys are produced on that day, then cost of each toy is rupees 30.